Hello viewer, it's an image. We will edit that image by using the adjustment tools. It's a photo filter. Use the different filters on it. Let's make the changes. Increase the intensity of that filter. Then we will select another shape. Make a gradient map for it. We will try all the maps on that picture. So let's make the changes here. So that's it. We will add a paint around it.